Court is now in session. The case, me versus my past self, and the presiding judge, me, unfortunately. Let the record show the defendant is being charged with the following crimes: ignoring red flags and calling it potential, repeated violations of personal boundaries, including her own, practicing emotional CPR in relationships that were flatlined, obsessive self-blame in the third degree, attempted fixing of broken men without a license. Past me. Okay, look, I can explain. Judge. Me. You had 23 unread gut feelings and chose to go with vibes. Sit down. Exhibit A. The time you saw every warning sign, but still said, maybe they're just going through something. They were. It was called being emotionally unavailable, and you gave them a whole TED talk about your needs like they didn't have AirPods in. Prosecutor. Objection. That was delusion with premeditation. Judge. Sustained. The court recognizes that red flags are not romantic lighting. Exhibit B. You had essays in your notes app trying to make sense of mixed signals. You gave out grace like it was a buy one, get one free trauma forgiveness. You were loyal to confusion. Judge. Why? Past me. Because they told me they weren't ready for a relationship, but acted like we were married. Judge. And you thought that was cute? Past me. I thought it meant something. Judge. It did. It meant run. This court has reached a verdict. Past me is found guilty of forgetting her worth in the presence of potential. However, this court also acknowledges that she was doing the best she could with the self-esteem she'd been handed by childhood and TikTok. So here's the sentence. Time served. No parole for toxic situationships. Mandatory boundaries. Community service in the form of not replying to hey at 2 a.m. Court dismissed. And past me, you can rest now. You were just trying to survive. This video is a legally binding declaration of self-respect. Share it with someone who needs to fire their emotional defense attorney. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again for another emotional trial, probably featuring my trust issues. Subscribe for more court-ordered self-awareness. Your honor needs a nap.